Trying for 5.9, 5.9 miles per kilowatt hour. 5.9 miles per kilowatt hour. Keep this meter on. Don't go over 15 kilowatt hours on your commute. Coast a lot. I keep mine in D, not in L, so I can coast and get free miles. That's it. So yay, I got 5.9, almost exactly 5.9 miles per kilowatt hour. Sweet. Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 Freaking Onion Rings, and today I'm continuing my ongoing saga of how far I can go in a Chevy Volt on $5 worth of gas. When my next fill up will be, I'm not quite sure yet. So far, I'm at 0.8 gallons, 4,359.7 miles. I have learned that if you drive like a grandma, where is it? Yeah, here. If you never go over 15 kilowatt hours when you're accelerating, I do not recommend driving this way, as it really truly is grandma driving. You can achieve some really high numbers in terms of your miles per kilowatt hours. I'm rocking here at about 6, possibly a little bit more than 6, or 5.9 miles per kilowatt hour. It's 59 degrees today, but yesterday was 35, and that's when this started. That I'm able to get just some massive numbers just from driving like grandma, basically. Even in cold weather. I thought that the 35 to 40 degree weather was limiting my range, and it was, but it's also a combination. I just started accelerating at 15 kilowatt hours or less, just watching the gauge, and it keeps me at a reasonable rate, but not fantastic. I stay a good distance behind, but I always stay a good distance behind because I drive in Charlotte, where traffic tends to be crazy and you end up stopping at every light anyway. So I just wanted to give an update for that. 8.7 kilowatt hours right now, 51.7 miles. And that's actually been an average for the last few days. And don't drive over 15 kilowatt hours and you can achieve a very nice 0.8 for 4360.6 miles on 0.8 gallons. I've gone through one more maintenance cycle from last time, and I had to use gasoline last week to get home, and only ran at 48 miles. So last week I only got 48 miles on 9.8 kilowatt hours, and that was due to what I thought was the weather. So like I say, this week I've been very careful to not go over 15 kilowatt hours, and I'm currently rocking in at about 6 miles per kilowatt hour. The other part of this, I've set my timer, you can't see it right now, but I've set my timer so that my charge finishes about 10 minutes after I want to leave for work. So I'm not completely charging, I'm getting to about a little bit under a full charge, which sounds counterintuitive, but when I've been doing this, I've noticed I can generally get higher miles per kilowatt hour and hopefully save pennies, really. But I always track my MP KWH, and in doing so, my normal commute to work dropped from 2.8 kilowatt hours down to 2.4, which I've never achieved until recently when I started doing this. And that's all for my update this week, and I want to thank you for following along. Like and subscribe down below if this helps you out. Chevy Volt's still a freaking awesome car. I am currently on my same oil from when I bought this car over a year and a half ago now, in October of 2016. Still in the same oil, got 30% less, and rocking it in at oh, I hit 20. Darn it, broke my record. Rocking it in at almost 12,000 miles at 7.5 or 7.6 gallons. Not bad overall. Love this car. Y'all take care. Thanks again. Like and subscribe down below. We'll talk at you later. Thanks. Bye.